swatching. I don't want to swatch. It's so much work. All my pencils have the color at the bottom. I can just look at that, right? I don't need to swatch. Here we go. Wait a minute. That's not the color I chose. That's really light. It's not the color I chose at all. Yep, definitely not the color I chose. Maybe it just needs more than one layer. Yeah, that's it. Here we go. No, maybe more, maybe more. Yeah, I don't know. Something's got to be wrong with this pencil. This is not the right color. Maybe this one will be better. Yeah, that looks better. That's a nice color green. Here we go. Wait a minute. That's not right. That's not even close to that green. And it's not getting any darker either. Ah, crap. I gotta swatch, don't I? All right, let's see. I need a blue, a nice blue for his pants. Yeah, denim blue, that'll work.